Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Cik Muhammad Hafiz bin Cik Hussein. My number meter is D2019108986. Today I would like to present my mini project in biomechanics. My title is about penalty kick in football. For the introduction, a penalty kick is a method of restarting play in association football, in which a player is allowed to take a single shot on the goal while it is defended only by the opposing team's goalkeeper. It is awarded when a foul punishable by a direct free kick is committed by a player in their own penalty area. The shot is taken from the penalty mark, which is 11 meters from the goal line and centered between the touchline. Similar kicks are made in a penalty shootout in some tournaments to determine which team is victorious after a draw match. These are governed by slightly different rules. Background of study. In this small project, the subject of this is my own conduct. I personally record this penalty kick video. In this small project, I study about the angle of release of the penalty kick and the tangent speed of the release. My problem statement: is it important for a person to use the right angle when doing a penalty kick? Second, does foot speed affect the quality of penalty kicks? Objective. My objective is to determine the angle of release of the ball during the kick is released into the goal. Second, to identify the tangent speed of the ball during a penalty kick. Significance of study. To show the subject the exact angle of release at the time of release during the penalty kick. To show the importance of foot speed when doing a penalty kick. Demographic. The subject is male and a beginner in the penalty kick activity. The height of the subject is 171 cm, while the mass is 65 kg. Before committing a penalty kick, the subject already know what to do for this study. My equipment is ball, camera, Kinovia, and tracker. Procedure: analysis of video recording of a subject penalty kick with two different actions. Second, they analyze the angle of release of the ball during the penalty kick. Next, analyze the speed of the tangent of the foot during the penalty kick. Record are analyzed in Kinovia and tracker. Kinovia is used to find the discharge angle for each subject behavior. Tracker is used to identify the speed of the foot tangent during the penalty kick. Lastly, find some additional information included in the relevant journal. That is my result. Table 1 shows the angle of release during the penalty kick. For object kick from the ground surface, the optimal angle is achieved by using an angle of about 45 degrees for each optimal discharge speed. They found an approach angle of 30 degree to 45 degree to be optimal, with maximum velocity of the shank achieved with an approach angle of 30 degree and the maximum ball speed achieved with an approach of 45 degree. According to the data, the angle for probation release A is 35 degree, while for trial B, it is 31 degree. This is because experiment A and experiment B have different difference in optimum emission angle, in power generation rate, and occur. Thus, this data show that probationary angle of trial A is more productive and high speed in the penalty kick. Table 2 show the tangential velocity of the ball at release penalty kick. Based on the table 2, the tangential velocity of the lead at release penalty kick for the test A is 19.54 minutes per second, while test B is 15.82 meters per second. Based on the graph in figure 3, the velocity of test A increased from the entire pace at a shift time of 0.0 second to 0.1 second. They increased from a shift time of 0.15 second to 0.2 second. In addition, for test B, it shown the same velocity at the beginning at a shift 0.0 second to 0.01 second. The graph shows a decrease in displacement 0.1 second to 0.3 second. For discussion, we can find out two things. The first of the two subject attempts show the angle of release of the ball during the different penalty kicks. The second is about the speed of the tangent of the foot during the penalty kick. Test B is slower than Test A. Subject have their own optimal angle of release due to the difference in kick made by the subject in the rate of decrease in force that they can do with the increase of the angle of release at a given time. As a conclusion, a penalty kick is one of the parts in the sport of football that require joint technique and strength to get a good penalty kick. We can know that the angle of release during the penalty kick will affect the quality and good result of a player. The performance of the penalty kick depends on the angle of the kick and the speed of the ball release. This speed and angle are determined during sport performance and depend heavily on the player's physical abilities and skill. So that's all from me. Thank you.